Hello, welcome to another ES Futures Trading video. Today is July 6th. It is 8:50 a.m. Eastern Time. I couldn't be yesterday. I couldn't be in the market. I had things to do. But I did my homework really late in the evening. I saw something very interesting happening last night, and this is what I saw. Let me show you. I guess the bond market. This is was very interesting yesterday. When I do my house, so the bond market has almost closed this all this. It has absolutely no support here, right? But it really hard, worked really hard to go through this area, which has no support. When the markets do that, this will become resistance or support after it breaks or after it rallies. Now, this market, not what's going on now. That's a big break in the bond market. Now, the 10-year has reached this low. It's dangerous. It's very dangerous. Again, being bought from this low. The 30 has come close to this look below and fail. Bond market is liquid. I mean, gold market is having a liquidation here. And yesterday we have the market made an attempt to close the gap. Okay. I don't know what I was saying. But it was the market made an attempt to close the gap yesterday. I was trading yesterday. This was kind of confusing to me because this is Monday. But Monday we just has only half session. It closed at 1, but it has really good volume. It's about 500,000, which is kind of like a good overnight session, but in the daytime, right? This is 3:15 right now. There's a good liquidation going on here. Good liquidation here. The thing is, this overnight session now is super short. These highs are better now than they were when market made this high, but it's still kind of like too kind of close to each other, right? This is an all-time high, not all-time high. This is the market high now. Also, monthly, the next monthly is just right there, and the next weekly, a weekly also. I mean, if you check, when you check your time frames, yeah, this is very interesting as well. You have the monthly really close. On all them, I mean, a weekly weekly and daily is a range. You have 3-week range here, where the market has reached the opposite side of the range, of the 3-week range. If this doesn't look above, or there's no breakout of this one, or this range, the destination the opposite side of this range could become the destination trade. This side, which is 43.50, is way below here for what it is. 43.50 is previous breakout high. Okay, my bad. for the 350. It's 3 week range low down here. This could be the potential destination of the market if there is if that high, as we say, is not reached. In this one, what is here? If there is something here, this opposite side can become the destination. And we are watching there. We are seeing there a weekly time frame, so it doesn't take one day, right? It might take weeks. Um, and what we saw yesterday, something very. I mean, this is a classic formation of short covering here. This is what when you see a short covering, this is it. What happened yesterday? We have an opening and a truncated market in the upper side. Yeah? Market just tries to go higher and just cannot reach the highs again. Now this is short covering, classic short covering. What happens with short covering, it weakens the market. And the context is market made a new high. This is super elongated overnight here. Let me show it again. Where are you? And I know I got you. Where is? Oh, here. Yeah. You have a gap here, this gigantic gap with it's overnight has multiple distributions, very big gap. The odds that this gap will be close with another gap are really low. I thought maybe the first time we make out to the center, somewhere around maybe this area, but it's a prominent gap, very big gap here. You know, this low is good. This one is not. There is a lot of volume in this area. Remember that there's a lot of volume in this area, and these lows are good. Now, deeper view of the market profile, we have a P shape here formation here, short cover, and also in the daily time frame you have a bigger one, which is these gaps are forming X's, right? This is the P, the stem of the P, and the accumulation of volume up here, short cover. So the odds of a break were there, right? How high? Don't know. And then the range. There's nothing. There's nothing holding this. This range is just out there like a cloud. It didn't mean anything, right? It didn't mean the market was going to break. I'm not saying that, but there were good odds there. And now we have yesterday when I was watching this break. There were multiple like 4 distributions when the market made this low here. When the market took this low, like 4 distributions just in this short amount of time here. There's something here. What I'm going to be doing now. Jim has a webinar today. If you want to attend, you just go to his Twitter, Jim Dalton Trading, and you can sign here. Just sign here, click here. I will give you a link. It's supposed to start at 9. So I will be listening. I won't be doing any stream in the morning. Maybe after he's done. What do we have for today? ADP. Oh God, ADP is 8:15. Come on. ADP 8:15. Jobless claim. This is the weekly. 8:30. Gosh. Oh my God. I thought this was 9:45. I guess I missed that. Okay. And Lodi Logan at 8:45. Oh, Lodi Logan's speaking. This is speaking now. Okay, I think this was the trade here. It was not this, right? Not what happened right now, but the when the market took this low here and it just started to buy here, these options, these puts, which ones? Let me see, the 44.40, the 44.40, which is the close of the gap. The close of the gap is down here. No, the 44 is around the close of the gap. This were a 2 points last night, and they went up all the way. They went all the way up to 9. Now the market super elongated to the downside. Right? So remember, short covering weakens the market. This short covering weakens the market. This trade could have very well be played already, and now we have a significant gap to the downside. Yeah? There is, I mean, I don't see any kind of formation here that long. Oh, when I replayed the day yesterday, what I saw, what I saw was there was some selling actually. I saw some selling yesterday, but was overpowered. But by buyer. Yeah, you could see that there's actually something there, right? It's not just momentum, but there was something that we just stop. It just stops. The movement stops, right? In this case, the action was to the downside. Now, Jim webinar has started. So I will be closing the stream today. Right now, I will be seeing in his and just watch what he has to say. I recommend you also to see these ones. All right. I'll see you soon.